for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce it on your head. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for drum, feel that beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for goat, climbing high. H is for hat, put it on and try. I is for igloo, cold and round. J is for jelly, wiggly on the ground. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear him roar in the sky. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, in the tall tree. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rocket, blasting up, not down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, that's me, alright. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, play that again. W is for whale, so big in the sea. X is for Vimavon, play it with me. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, who runs all day long.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.